Ganun po ba?
Mr. Chair, do I have to answer this irrelevant question?
If you wish to answer, you may do so.
I refuse to answer anymore, Mr. Chair.
Bakit nyo nire-refuse? Wala namang... It's up to us to determine what is relevant or not.
Because, Mr. Chair, this is not part of the inquiry.
Well, I will tell you kung paano magiging ano yan. I will drive at that point later. Meron ka bang bangko sa Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, RCBC?
Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer.
Sa Bank of the Philippine Islands, Davao, main branch.
Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer.
Bakit? Mr. Chair, can I know kung the Vice Mayor is invoking the right against self-incrimination?
You may ask him.
You cannot outrightly refuse.
I am
because-
invoking the right to privacy, Mr. Chair.
Which part of the rules, Mr. Chair, that the resource person can invoke the right to privacy? Because I have the rules. No, but let him.
Mr. Chair, there is a law in the Constitution about the bank secrecy, and I have the right to privacy.
Mr. Chairman, according to Section 19 of the rules, no person can refuse to testify or be placed under oath or affirmation or answer questions before an incriminatory question is asked. So, apparently the basis that he raised is not included in our rules, Mr. Chairman.
Are you invoking your right against self-incrimination?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so which part of that question will incriminate you? Ito bang total? Pakita nyo nga yung total doon sa baba. Itong total na 104 million dito sa mga accounts ninyo. Kasi ang nakalagay dito, ang total ng mga deposits mo as of 2015 November, I'm sure lumaki na yan kasi may Davao Group na eh. So, anong masasabi mo dyan?
I refuse to answer, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Meron ka bang tattoo sa likod mo?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Meron. Okay. Yung tattoo mo sa likod, I can imagine it's a colored and dragon-like figure tattoo. Am I correct?
I invoke the right to privacy, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Well, ito pong informasyon na ito ay itong intelligence information na ito ay binigay sa akin na isang foreign country na ang sinasabi ay itong si Vice Mayor Paulo Duterte ay member ng Triad at ito, ang proof ng kanyang membership ay yung tattoo sa likod. Yan ang mag-i-explain ng lahat ng ito at merong mga competition among syndicates. Dahil yan yung proof. That's the physical evidence of his membership sa Triad, yung tattoo. Ngayon, Mr. So, can you show us that, are you willing to show us that tattoo to validate or invalidate?
Mr. Chair, I invoke my right to privacy.
Okay.
The chair would like to request, respectfully, we should not make allegations here without any basis because Triad is a very serious accusation. And we should not abuse any of the witnesses here. The chair intends to make sure
Yes.
that we respect those rights.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. That's why I'm going to present the evidence of my allegation, which is written and printed and tattooed on the back of Mr. Paulo Duterte, because that's the membership of Triads, Mr. Chairman. So I'm not making any baseless allegations here. This intelligence information was handed down to me from a foreign country, and na-validate naman, in-admit naman ni Mr. Paulo Duterte. I wouldn't have any way of knowing na meron siyang ganun tattoo. But yun ang sinasabi ng Intel report. The membership is printed there, Mr. Chairman. Ako, tinatanong ako ng ebidensya. Ang ebidensya po ng membership ng Triad ay yung tattoo mismo kasi meron siyang sacred digits. Ngayon, kung willing itong si Vice Mayor Duterte, pipicture natin, tapos papadala natin sa USDA para i-decode. Kung willing ka lang naman.
No way.
Oh, no. Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. Mr. Chair, no way.
Okay. So, makita nyo, bakit kung wala naman yung tattoo na yan di ba? Ano naman yung ibibigay mo yung picture sa amin? We can ask the Sergeant at Arms to accompany you. Kukuha na lang sa likod. Bibigay natin yung picture sa USDA para ma-decode kung saang faction ka. Are you willing? Are you willing to do that?
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh, no, bakit naman? Kung wala kang tinatago, kung tattoo lang naman dyan sa ano yan, pinagawa mo kung saan, you should not be afraid na may mapafind out dyan. Vice Mayor.
I already answered the question, Mr. Chair.
So ayaw mo talaga. Ayaw mo talagang ipakita dahil baka may ma-decode nga. Ganon.
Mr. Chair, ilang beses ko ba sagutin na ayaw ko?
Already answered.
Mr. Chairman, dito naman sa ating committee, medyo liberal tayo kasi paulit-ulit na tanong sa kote, hindi pinapayagan, but dito ay liberal. Malay mo nyo, magbagong isip. So, maliwanag. Talagang ayaw mo. Kasi yun yung proof Hinahanapin ako ng proof. Andiyan dyan sa likod mo. At ando doon yung digits. Sacred digits. At kaya ayaw mo kasi pagka ibinigay ito sa DEA, madedecode kung saan ka.